Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow makeup set. We start by drawing a rectangle on the makeup color palette. And then the space where the colors go of the palette. This is the mirror. This is a makeup kit that you can carry in your purse. Now we draw the mascara. The lipstick. And a nail polish. Finally, I bring a heart in the middle. Finally, a brush. Let's color now. I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, light green, green, light blue, blue, purple, fuchsia, pink, brown, gray, black, orange, purple, blue, red, orange, black, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, orange, pink, red, yellow, light green, blue, purple, yellow, red, blue. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.